So obviously a very windy day, but just want to show you guys Harlem. You know, this is the city. This is how it looks. I mean, it's pretty, I don't know, like, if you guys like fucking canals and shit, and windy, and wind, a lot of wind, and you like the rain, then you should come visit Harlem. But other than that, man, I mean, it's like a fish in a barrel. You know, it's really not that interesting. Y'all tell me, I look on the internet and people tell me, oh, this place is so interesting. It's so beautiful and the canals are so great. But honestly, I don't really see it. It's not that impressive to me. I think it's like, you know, it's kind of like deja vu. Maybe I've experienced this before in a different lifetime, but it's like, what have I ever experienced though? Maybe I experienced it in a different lifetime. But yeah, we're gonna film this place, probably walk up to the center. Yeah, not really gonna do anything except film today. Yeah, because you guys don't support the channel, so now I gotta do this. Because since you guys are not supporting the channel, I'm not really getting any views on videos that I think should go viral. Now I have to transform my channel to this because of you guys, because of y'all. You don't want to support the channel. You don't want to click the like button. You don't want to subscribe. You want to talk shit in the comment section, but you don't want to subscribe or hit the like button. So it's kind of because of you motherfuckers that I have to make this video. You know what I'm saying? I have to make this video because of y'all. Because of you guys. And that's just how it is. But, you know, I guess you can say it's a beautiful city if you compare it to others. Like, if you were to compare the city to Somalia, then yes, it would be a lot better than Somalia. But if you compare it to Germany, you know, it's kind of raining now. Gotta put my hoodie on. But yeah, man, like, it's a boring city. I'm still gonna keep walking and taking videos, but it's not gonna be as interesting as you would expect. Where are we now? This is Haarlem centrum. This is the center of Haarlem. Actually, I don't think I've reached it yet. I'm trying to get to the old cathedral spot where I went there last time with my friend, but I don't know. I think I'll chill here for a second while the rain is calming down a little bit. Jan Sikes, Stoffen and Gordijn. What the fuck does that mean? I don't know. It doesn't mean shit to me, but I guess it means something to y'all. But it doesn't really mean shit to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay. Now let's go to a controversial topic. If you were to rate the women here, how would you do that? And how much would they rate out of 10 compared to other European cities? You know, I guess it wouldn't really be much of a difference though, because German chicks and Dutch, I don't think there's much of a difference. People are here. I think I gotta go. But yeah, if you like rain, you should come to the Netherlands. That's what I would tell you. I don't want to stand next to that bitch, that stupid white girl. Like, that woman is probably gonna start talking to me about my YouTube channel. I don't want to talk to you. Get the fuck away from me, bitch. I'm gonna come here. Hopefully these motherfuckers won't talk to me. Probably they will. But yeah, where should we go next? Probably left here. Should we go left? Or should we go right though? Or to the middle? See, that's a dumb bitch. was talking to me last time. I don't want to talk to you. Get the fuck away from me. But you see the rain, it's pretty strong here. Now I'm trying to get to the center, but... Oh yes, there it is. There's the fucking cathedral I was looking for. You motherfuckers want me to show you that shit, but okay. It's right there. It's nothing special. It's just a big building, dude. It's really nothing special. I don't know why people are interested in that shit, but I guess it's because it looks nice. It doesn't really look